Welcome back to UX Designer. In this video, we are diving into the colorful world of design and exploring the various sources of color inspiration. So let's get started on how to find, extract and use these colors in Figma. First up, there are numerous websites dedicated to color inspiration, but let me tell you one jugaad. Okay, so jugaad is something like we do something weird thing and make something useful. It is an Indian word. Okay, so let me show you one thing. So most of the time what I do is that I create motherboards like this and I draw some rectangles. Like let's assume this is the rectangle, this is a rectangle, and I just go to fill and choose eyedropper tool and extract colors like this. And if I want color palette, so I again go to colors and eyedropper and let's choose this color. Okay, this one. Okay, so as you can see, this is how I extract my colors. So this is the really basic way. This is not that professional way, but you can use it. At the end it works. Okay, so let me choose another one. Okay, let's go with this one. So we have 3 different kinds of orange color. Okay, so this is how we can extract colors. Now let me show you some plugins from where you can get inspiration for your color palettes. Okay, the first one is color palettes, this one. And we also have this one, but Figma runs one plugin at a time. Okay, so we also have this color palette / color swatch. Okay, so we can also use this one. Like let's say if I select this one and I want to copy this, I can just copy and go to this fill and paste, Control V, and you can see color is changed now. So from here you can get bunch of color palettes, and there is another plugin called color palettes. And okay, it is also exactly same website. Just select the rectangle and choose any color you want and just click on it. It will add that color on that rectangle. Now you have one color palette. Now let's go professional way and let's see some websites that provides color palette and some inspiration for your projects. Okay, the first one is the one of the best I will say, and most of the graphic designers use these websites. First one is Canva colors, canva.com/colors. You can go to this website and we get 4 options like color palette generator, color palette idea, color wheel and color meaning. So let's go with color palette generator. Let's say you have an image and currently let's say demo image. Okay, so if you have an image, you can upload it and it will extract all the colors and it will give you the hex code for it, and you can just copy and paste it in Figma and you can use that as a color palette. So this one is the first option. After that, let's jump to color palette ideas. We get bunch of options over here as well, and we can type like what kind of colors we want. Like let's say I want blue, black, yellow. Okay, let's see. So we got some nice color palettes, like we have blue, yellow, as well as what I typed. Oh, I forgot. So this is how this color palettes works. Next one is color wheel. Oh, this is one of the greatest tool I will say. If you go to color wheel and if you choose any color, like let's say go with red one, so it will tell you the complementary color as well, and you can also change into like monochromatic as well as into analogous. After that we can if you want analogous, you can get 3 colors in that. In also triadic we also get 3 colors with different colors, and in also tetradic we get 4 colors. And we can just copy this and export this palette, and you can import into Figma and use it for our design. If you want to get lots of information about some specific color, just go to color meaning and you can type I guess color name, and it will tell you all the history. Let's say if I go with this one amber, so it will tell me all the history about that color. If you are more interested in, you can go to this website if you want to learn more about colors. Now next one is Adobe Colors. It is also kind of same, but it also has some similar features like Canva. Like we can rotate this dial and we get these colors, and we can change the color mode over here, RGB, SSG, lab, as well as we can also search according to our need. Like I did it in Canva, like blue, yellow and green, something like that. You can add tags over here and you will get color palette like this. Now next one is extract theme. So we saw in Canva we can upload any file. Like let's upload this one, and it will extract all the colors from it. If you see with naked eyes, we will say only 2 colors like yellow and white, but with this tool we can see all the different shades of yellow as well as black. And you can also extract gradient color, as you can see the gradient color. And this one is the important, the accessibility tool. It will tell you this color is suitable for your design or not. Like let's say if I use something else, so let me use this one. So you can see it is filled and the color is not going with the main color, background color. Text color is not going with the background color. So it will tell you which color is great for our design, for background, for a text. So this is really helpful. You can go to explore to get more like color palettes like this, and we can search according to our need. And there is also trend section, so it will tell you all the trending color palettes. If you want to download this, you can just download it and import it into Figma. Let's download this one, and let me add that into Figma. Okay, so this one was the image it downloaded. So this is the color palette. It comes with hex code as well. You can choose eyedropper tool as well to extract that color. Now let's jump on the next website, that is Color Hunt. It is one of the really popular website in graphic designing field, in UI UX field, as well as in video editing field. So you can just go to this website. It has already made a color palette. You can just download it and import it into Figma. And you can also search it according to colors, as well as it shows you populars, according to month, year, and all time, the random sections. If you liked some color, like if you like this, and if you go to collection, it will show you have this thing in collection. Okay, so this is about Color Hunt. If you want gradient color palettes, go to Gradient. It is also one of the kind of popular website. You can go to this website and copy these colors and use it in your design. Remember, the world is full of colors and your design should reflect the tone, mood and purpose of your project. Whether you are drawing inspiration from website, gradients or existing design, Figma provides the tool to make your color palette creation seamlessly. So experiment, explore and let your creativity flow. In next video, we will continue our design journey, so stay tuned.